Take a deep breath. Your lungs just saved the day. Every inhale is a life-giving act, a silent hero in the story of your body. But how do these unsung heroes work? Let's take a journey deep inside, to a microscopic world where life hangs in the balance with every breath. Inside your chest, two spongy organs, your lungs, work tirelessly. They are the body's very own oxygen factories, constantly replenishing your blood with this vital gas. And like any efficient factory, they also have a waste disposal system, removing carbon dioxide, the exhaust of your cell's hard work. Imagine billions of tiny air sacs, called alveoli, resembling clusters of grapes. These alveoli are the superstars of your respiratory system. They are surrounded by the thinnest imaginable blood vessels, capillaries. This is where the magic happens, the exchange of gases that keeps you alive and kicking. But there's a catch. This intricate dance of life can be disrupted by a silent killer. Smoking. Cigarette smoke, laden with toxins, wages war on your alveoli, damaging their delicate walls and hindering their ability to function. Think of your lungs as a bustling city, and the air you breathe as the traffic flowing through its intricate network of roads. When you inhale, oxygen-rich air rushes in through your nose and mouth, traveling down your trachea. The trachea branches into two bronchi, one for each lung. These bronchi divide into smaller bronchioles like side streets. Finally, the oxygen arrives at the alveoli, tiny air sacs. Here, oxygen crosses into the capillaries. It hitches a ride on red blood cells, traveling throughout your body. But the journey doesn't end there. Cells produce carbon dioxide as a waste product. This carbon dioxide travels back to the lungs. It crosses into the alveoli and is expelled when you exhale. And the cycle of life continues, breath after breath. Imagine a storm sweeping through a lush forest, leaving behind broken branches and damaged trees. That's similar to what smoking does to your lungs. The toxins in cigarette smoke wreak havoc on your delicate airways, leading to a cascade of health problems. One of the first casualties is the cilia, tiny hair-like structures that line your airways. These little helpers normally sweep mucus and debris out of your lungs, keeping them clean and healthy. But cigarette smoke paralyzes and even destroys the cilia, making it harder for your lungs to clear out harmful substances. As you continue smoking, the damage intensifies. The walls of your alveoli become inflamed and lose their elasticity, making it difficult for them to expand and contract properly. This reduces the surface area available for gas exchange, leaving you gasping for breath. Over time, the delicate structure of your lungs undergoes a terrifying transformation. The walls of the alveoli break down, forming larger, less efficient air spaces. This condition, known as emphysema, makes breathing a constant struggle. Imagine blowing bubbles with a straw into a glass of soapy water. As you blow, the bubbles rise to the surface, their delicate walls shimmering with iridescent colors. Now imagine those bubbles bursting, leaving behind a chaotic froth. That's a simplified way to visualize what happens to your alveoli with emphysema. Emphysema destroys the walls of the alveoli, those tiny air sacs responsible for gas exchange. As the walls break down, the alveoli lose their shape and elasticity, making it harder for them to inflate and deflate properly. It's like trying to inflate a balloon that's already half deflated. This destruction reduces the surface area available for gas exchange. Less oxygen can enter your bloodstream, and less carbon dioxide can be removed. Your body becomes starved for oxygen, and fatigue sets in. Simple tasks like climbing stairs or even walking short distances become increasingly difficult. But the damage doesn't stop there. Emphysema also weakens the small airways, making it harder for air to flow in and out of your lungs. This can lead to a chronic cough, shortness of breath, and wheezing. In severe cases, emphysema can be fatal. In a world often filled with stress and chaos, taking a moment to focus on your breath can be incredibly powerful. Breathing exercises, often rooted in ancient practices like yoga and meditation, offer a simple yet effective way to improve your lung health and overall well-being. One of the most beneficial breathing exercises is diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen, just below your rib cage. As you inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, feel your abdomen expand outward. As you exhale slowly through your mouth, feel your abdomen contract inward. This deep, rhythmic breathing helps to strengthen your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen. A strong diaphragm improves your lung capacity, allowing you to take in more oxygen with each breath. Another helpful exercise is pursed lip breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, then exhale slowly through your mouth, as if you were whistling or blowing out a candle. This technique helps to keep your airways open longer, improving gas exchange and reducing shortness of breath. Section 6. The Symphony of Breath. Imagine your body as a grand orchestra, with each organ playing a vital role in creating the symphony of life. Among these instruments, the lungs and the heart stand out as the lead performers, their rhythmic interplay essential for our very existence. The lungs, with their intricate network of airways and alveoli, act as the orchestra's wind section, drawing in the breath of life, oxygen. This precious gas, carried by the red blood cells, flows through the bloodstream, reaching every corner of the body, fueling the cell's activities. The heart, the orchestra's powerful percussion section, pumps the oxygen-rich blood throughout the body, ensuring that every cell receives its share of this vital nutrient. Like a conductor leading the orchestra, the heart sets the pace, regulating the flow of blood to meet the body's ever-changing demands. This harmonious partnership between the lungs and the heart ensures that your body receives a constant supply of oxygen, the fuel that powers every single cell. It's a testament to the incredible design of the human body, a symphony of life conducted with every breath you take. Section 7. A Partnership for Life. The relationship between the lungs and the heart is a tale of two organs working in perfect harmony. It's a delicate dance, a continuous loop where one organ's output becomes the other's input. The lungs receive fresh oxygen, which is loaded onto red blood cells. These cells travel through blood vessels, propelled by the heart. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood to every cell. Cells use oxygen, producing carbon dioxide as waste. Red blood cells carry carbon dioxide back to the lungs. The lungs expel carbon dioxide, completing the loop. And so the cycle continues, breath after breath, heartbeat after heartbeat. Section 8. Exercise your right to breathe. Just like any muscle in your body, your lungs benefit from regular exercise. Engaging in physical activities that challenge your cardiovascular system strengthens your lungs, improves their efficiency, and boosts your overall health and well-being. Aerobic exercises like running, swimming, cycling, and dancing are particularly beneficial for your lungs. These activities increase your heart rate and breathing, forcing your lungs to work harder to supply your body with the oxygen it needs. Over time, this strengthens the muscles involved in breathing, improves lung capacity, and enhances the efficiency of gas exchange. Even moderate intensity activities, like brisk walking, gardening, and climbing stairs, can make a difference. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. If you're new to exercise or have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before starting a new workout program. They can help you determine the appropriate level of activity for your fitness level and health status. Section 9. The Breath of Life. From the moment we are born, taking our first gasping breath, to the very last breath we exhale, our lungs work tirelessly to sustain us. They are the unsung heroes of our inner world, silently performing their vital role, maintaining the delicate balance of gases that keeps us alive. Every breath we take is a gift, a reminder of the preciousness of life and the incredible resilience of our bodies. It's easy to take our lungs for granted, but they are essential for everything we do, from the simplest tasks to the most extraordinary feats. Protecting our lungs should be a top priority. Quitting smoking, avoiding exposure to air pollution, and engaging in regular exercise are some of the most important steps we can take to safeguard these vital organs. Let us all make a conscious effort to breathe deeply, to appreciate the miracle of each breath, and to cherish the gift of healthy lungs. For in the end, our breath is our life, and it's a gift worth protecting.